Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this small crochet heart. As you can see, it's so pretty and I just love it. And if you like this heart, stay with me till the end of this video. Before starting the main tutorial, I want to request all of you, if you are new in my channel today, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get my next video update. And if you like my video, give a thumbs up. So let's get started. At first I will show you all the necessary supplies for this project. I will use cotton yarn. You can use any kind of yarn with its recommended hook size. I will use 2.5 mm crochet hook and a scissor. At first I will make one magic ring. Magic ring is done. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1 and 2 chain stitch. Now I will make 1 double crochet into this magic ring. One double crochet. Now I will make 1 more double crochet into this magic ring. Here at first I make 1 magic ring and then I make 2 chain stitch. After that I make 2 double crochet into this magic ring. Now I will make 2 half double crochet into this magic ring. One half double crochet and 2 half double crochet. Now I will make 1 double crochet, double crochet is done. Now I will make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2 half double crochet. 2 half double crochet is done. Now I will make 2 more double crochet into this magic ring. One double crochet and 2 double crochet. Now I will make 2 chain stitch, 1 and 2 chain stitch. Now I will pull this yarn like this and now I will make 1 slip stitch into this magic ring. Now I will make 1 chain stitch and now I will cut this yarn. Here at first I make a magic ring and then I make 2 chain stitch and after that I make 2 double crochet into this magic ring and then I make 2 half double crochet and after that I make 1 double crochet here and then I make 2 half double crochet, then I make 2 more double crochet into this magic ring and at last here I make 2 chain stitch and I make 1 slip stitch into this magic ring. My heart is complete now. If you like my video, please like and share it and leave a comment into the comment box. See you in my next video with a new tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.